All right, we're looking at predators targeting kids in a Thane school. Maharashtra's Badlapur seethes with anger, erupting in protests. Massive crowds there gathering, seeking justice for their two little girls. Shocking news coming in of two 3-year-old girls who were molested at the school premises by the school staff. Thane now erupting in protests. We see massive anger hitting the streets with protesters trying to block off trains in a rail roko show. This is a battle to save our betis. That's what they say. Shock and anger, anguish, massive stir on the streets on full display. The Badlapur railway station has been blocked off. Trains have been stopped with protesters insisting that stern action be taken against the school authorities, that the school must apologize for what has happened and set up immediate measures to ensure safety of their children. In fact, we're looking at the country still outraged about the Kolkata doctor's rape and murder. On the other hand, molestation, cases of rape still continues, unabated. Here, two young girls, 3-year-old girls molested by the school staffer. He's said to be a sweeper working at the school. The family members got to know when the two girls narrated the incident. Two girls belonging to two different families, both told their parents that they do not want to go back to school. They spoke about what had happened to them. And soon after, the parents reached the school, demanded a response from the school authorities. But there are allegations that the school made the family members wait for nearly 12 hours. They were not paid heed to. Their requests were not considered. They were in fact ignored for multiple hours, made to wait. And that's what's led to this seething anger by protesters who are now out in the streets demanding that the school face strict action. In fact, the school, we hear, has already asked for a closure of the premises for 5 days, looking at the scale of these protests. So 5 days, the school will be shut. Until then, investigation will continue. If there were more girls that were molested by this man, he's the man you see on our screens here, who's said to have allegedly molested the two young girls. In fact, this is a disturbing development, certainly in light of the Supreme Court hearing the matter on the Kolkata rape and murder case of a doctor, while speaking of safer working environment for women, particularly doctors in the nation. We're looking at women in every aspect, every field of life, at every age, who are being targeted. 3-year-old girls, two of them molested at a school which is ideally known to be a safe space for these children. It's seriously disturbing. And here the protesters taking law into their own hands. We're looking at stone pelting being reported. Those are the live images coming in of protesters pelting stones at the Badlapur railway station there. They've blocked off trains, insisting that the school face strict action. The cops have tried to calm protesters, has not really resulted in actually dissuading these protesters or returning, almost calming them and asking them to return home has really not worked. It appears the protesters have swelled, more joining in, asking for the school to face strict action. More importantly, that the school apologize for what happened. In fact, our correspondent Mithilesh, who's given us a ground report right from there, as the scenes look quite tense. Let's listen in.
मैं इस समय मौजूद हूँ महाराष्ट्र के बदलापुर रेलवे स्टेशन पे, जहां आप देख सकते हैं हजारों की संख्या में लोग आंदोलन कर रहे हैं। आंदोलन का कारण इतना है कि यहाँ पे 2 साढ़े 3 साल की बच्चियां थी, आदर्श स्कूल में जो शिशु क्लास में पढ़ती थी, उन पर एक सफाई कर्मचारी ने अत्याचार किया है। अत्याचार की घटना 4 दिन पहले की है। एफआईआर दर्ज होने के बाद आरोपी को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है, लेकिन जो परिजन है और शहर के लोगों की मांग है कि आरोपी को सख्त से सख्त सजा दी जाए। आप देख सकते हैं ये बदलापुर स्टेशन है। बदलापुर स्टेशन पे पिछले 2 से ढाई घंटे से आंदोलन चल रहा है। इस लोग ट्रैक पे उतर गए हैं। ट्रैक पे उतरने के बाद यहाँ से जो गुजरने वाली लोकल ट्रेनें या अन्य ट्रेनें हैं, उन्हें रद्द कर दिया गया। कुछ ट्रेनों को आगे पीछे स्टेशन के आगे पीछे खड़ी देखी जा चुकी है। आपको बता दें कि ये आंदोलन अभी भी जारी है। पुलिस प्रशासन की ओर से आंदोलन खत्म करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, लेकिन आंदोलक अभी भी आंदोलन पीछे लेने को तैयार नहीं है।
Let me cut to Divyesh Singh joining us live from Badlapur railway station for more on that. Divyesh, we know this is a case of 4 days now. Its complaint was filed, but the school authorities are being accused of not paying any attention to the parents' demands. They tried to ask for an apology right when this happened, but they refused to apologize. And 4 days later, when the situation got out of control, finally action was taken. The principal, we believe, has been suspended. Tell us more.
Well, this is a reputed school in Badlapur locality of Thane district, and where these two minor girls, aged between 3 and 3.5, were sexually assaulted by a training department employee who was hired by the contractor who was given this contract for cleaning in the school. This particular person, the accused, had molested these two girls, and when the parents came to know about it, they approached the school. But the school did not listen to them. The earlier complaints made to the school had fallen on deaf ears, and that is why the parents initially had also made to wait for long hours when the complaint was made. They also approached police, but police did not initiate immediate action that has been alleged by the complainants, by Badlapur protesters who who are now on road, who now at the railway station in Badlapur, who shut the railway movement in Badlapur and areas beyond that. Let me tell you that this is a protest by local residents. This is not political protest, but it is a protest by local residents, and you can see the crowds behind me. There's huge crowd gathered at nearby railway stations as well. These are all people waiting for the railway movement to start, but the crowd of protesters keeps growing. Police tried to remove the protesters from the railway station, from the railway line, from the railway tracks. But now again, the protesters' crowd has increased. So more police forces are called in by the Thane police. Thane SRPF battalion is being sent to control the protesting crowd so that the railway movement will start. Because this is not only affecting the movement of local trains, but also of trains moving from Mumbai towards southern states. Because this is the route from where train move from Mumbai towards the southern states beyond linking via the route of Pune towards Karnataka, towards Kerala, towards Tamil Nadu. This is the route that is taken by trains moving from Mumbai. Trains, some express trains have been routed from the Panvel locality, but a large number of people traveling to Badlapur. There are colleges located over there. There are industries located over there. There are factories located over there. But people are stranded at Badlapur railway station, at Ambernath railway station, at Kalyan railway station, at Thane railway station, because there's no movement. The lifeline which
Quick word from you,
connects
Divyesh.
people, which helps people to reach their respective workplaces in areas like Badlapur, like Amarnath, Badlapur MIDC. There are colleges located in Bhivpuri Road. There are hotels located
Divyesh,
in
if you can
Cuttack.
hear me.
There are factories located in Khopoli. But people right now are stranded. They cannot reach their workplaces because protesters have staged a rail roko at Badlapur after their complaints had fallen on deaf ears. The school authorities did not act initially. The police acted late. And that is why the senior police inspector of the Badlapur rail police station has been shunted, has been transferred. The DCP himself is on ground. The additional forces being called in by the Thane police to curb the protests, to
Right.
contain the protests that are going on at Badlapur since morning today.